all the friends of VTFM tuning in this morning.
Yeah.
Same bulamanak to all the drivers who are on the road. Kira kita nomor pasin di ada mata kita indai.
Gori.
Ada super sorry corridor. Di ada benakan revenue pasi to toko, revenue taxi. LT1230 is same bulamanak also. To my side all the way from Tonia. In Tailevu, coming through Nosori town to Suva this morning.
Okay.
Welcome to Ouch Palangi Show.
Mbulu binaka to Prasad Jemina to Sti Mbulu and also to the GS246. Sese ke isti rong ole tungo I vitilibu ta wabu kita nanda viti. And mataka vinani kuwa. And not forgetting Veronica Maria. Talo Falava and Nico Komaitai and the family of the boys. They're joining from the bridge. They're doing the grog session this morning.
Kachilaka and Rabinaka Kachilaka.
Oh, Kachilaka.
Tem Sarvai and Rabinaka this morning.
Mbulu binaka to Master Seru Tamai Lome Kurumira from Nampala Secondary School. Blessed day today, Master. Thank you so much for tuning in. Likewise, to this gang. They tuning in from Blenheim, New Zealand.
Oh.
Neman Ninduki, Pachi, Freddy, Missy, and Manasa. Likewise, they working in the forestry from Blenheim, New Zealand. Likewise to Maramakai Mita Signa, tuning in from the big place in Switzerland. Switzerland, big land from Switzerland. Lolo Mambimbi. To Nuitaka place where Mangaratabeuni in this wonderful morning.
Jonathan Nikoro, good morning. Orang Abu from British Columbia. You know where is British Columbia? That's from Canada.
Oh, yeah.
They jobbing. Laka.
Oh, British Columbia. Maria. Aaron Cruden talaga. Siya mo mataka di kuwa. Rosi ni Sauda. Okay mo do.
Mula binaka Rosi.
Aaron mo sa
good morning to you and the family this morning. Not forgetting everybody joining from outer space.
Oh!
Yeah, some people they joining from the outer space through satellite. And throw them to the earth. As the ears knows this morning as we are go forth.
Okay,
likewise to Mel Nevalevu tuning in from this wonderful morning. Likewise to John Kumar and Simon Mbanube tuning in from Nandera Kidney Center. Likewise to Rabbi Asena Leila Kemba. Handa binaka kede.
Siksik, anda binaka o tinay biriki, anda binaka talangan matang dikuha. Laki na be turang tao Aaron Cruden. Matiki Elda, Joseph and Matadiko. King, Bulunaka. Okay, Demesi. The goal, another one being Nicole, the goal.
For me, the goal is goal to achieve or goal to.
The goal,
the silver goal.
The cola.
The real goal.
For me, the importance of a goal for me, it's for beautification.
Beautification.
It depends. The goal itself. The definition of goal through character, character. The kind of character. It shows the quality of gold. Some of them they being washed through water gold. There some nga nawin colas, so they look like a fake one.
Okay.
They shine in a fake.
Prohibited. Ano ba kaya may korbo na bidula ngongay lo tako te bitadama. Na matang di ko malakay may baba tay. Bulu na kana matang di ko. Okay.
Julung.
Niko if you compare the gold, diamond, silver ke na vika ke bango kiwa endo na ngonelewa. Ay da bambek.
For me, I like silver.
Okay.
Diamond.
Why is diamond?
Nabotali. I like diamond.
Kaya ko na sematen do ng bulin do ng ngonelewa. Kinapatutali da bambek ya.
Kung na batunde po, kung tikong gubimi. You know, it's very hard to choose because they got the same shining, same dorakat erto katali. They very good, the diamond, the gold, and can I say I want to
Hey!
Kasi kaya sa mundo endo kadi pag may suru live.
First time ever in my life. You know, this morning it's like a habit for me this morning.
Maybe one gold is thinking of you.
Dosa baka urut sigumay.
Pinapakaliw.
Ricky, bless you.
I'll bless.
Browning, ano binaka?
Thank you. Sorry.
Okay.
So if you compare them, these three, they are very brightness. But I like a diamond. Diamond has 4 corners.
Right.
4 corners. In each 4 corners, it's very sharp in 4 corners.
Right.
Truth.
Iya.
one corner.
Right.
Hope, one corner.
Right.
Faith, one corner.
Iya, love.
Love, one corner.
Benar-benar DMS.
Because goal,
Ya sa kay tudo ko ya.
ito ako.
Iya.
If this four corner is
Iya.
within them with their discrimination,
Iya.
there will be
Trouble.
not trouble.
Oi.
Iya.
There will be till death.
Togetherness.
Do us apart, yes.
And happiness.
Happiness, togetherness. Feel free to come home. Yeah.
This one is different, eh?
John Kumar, you are
Kaya
not
kita
diamond.
kata na tarunga membaleti demes si membaleta na yau tali. Sa de batu tali tunggu na nando burubura.
Iya.
Di baka tutuba ta kiki nanto na manelewa. Ai di baka madala na come lolumbo na matagni kuwa.
Iya.
Anda bena ka Bella Vista. Okay. Nando di talo na matagni kuwa. Au sabi na katemu tarungi ko ikina.
Iya.
Iya, au sa akin manto ambate ar to nungu matagali.
Yeah.
From now. Tagi chukar matagni kuwa nungu matagali mai ngau. Tell us the story, Demes.
This is a story about, before the ears, before the ear separate from another ear,
Yeah.
it's called a new ear.
New Year.
So before New Year, it's a Christmas. That's where
Yeah.
everything has come to an end.
Iya.
So if you run a business,
Yeah.
if you open a money box,
Yeah.
you'll come end to open it on that time.
Yeah. See.
Yes. If you are working from the start of January
Yeah.
till December, you'll become to an end.
Right.
You'll try to new resolution there. But
Iya.
also in our different organization.
Iya, tidak
This is organization in our workplace.
Iya.
Organization in our church place.
Yeah.
Good.
But we got our organization as a village place.
Gor.
Right.
Village place.
Yeah.
We got a apa ko na niyaw?
Iya na daun yaw.
Certi.
Ha?
Certi.
Inang niyaw? Nada pa na puni bola.
Kwa kaya ngangori?
Kuya.
Gori.
Iya.
They are secretary.
Tabuka.
Tabuka.
Kada buka.
Na
The
puni
mania.
Yeah, the mania, the bukra.
Iya.
So we have to if
Tessera.
the committee
Iya.
if the committee is good,
Yeah.
so we will let the village
Yeah.
to decide
Yeah.
they run again
Oh.
or they have to
We choose another
Yeah.
committee, new committee.
Yes.
Yeah.
But it depends on how good they coming from
Yeah.
January to December.
Yeah. The committee members.
The committee members.
Right.
But these members,
Yeah.
they don't want to participate till December because
Gori.
village member they have been trying their very best to stop this member
Why?
because the lackness of running the money.
Maybe they eat
no
the coins.
transparency.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
the money is trespass into the shop.
Oh, yeah.
Mga nga mga tak kinorto nila po,
Yeah.
mga tak
Nakabela.
without the village members'
Consent.
consent.
No transparency.
Yeah.
Oh.
So
no muda.
they call the meeting
Yeah.
on that time,
Right.
January.
Muna baki.
Munyambaki.
Yeah.
To decide which the new committee to run again.
Iya.
Yeah.
So they knew what's gonna happen in the hall.
Satu mucho kana vital no sa
Yeah.
libra da dunru.
Melawadu.
Oi.
Melawadu ndaniyaw. Punch him.
Ha?
Punch him. Punch him.
Sakay, talaman tambulo kori.
Iyo.
Iyo.
Some of them,
Small buturaki.
one small buturake. Some of them they are short fuse. Imagine when you're in the
Nakabela.
village.
Iya.
Because they're from
Because everything in the village,
Yeah.
everything in the village,
Yeah.
some of the jobs, some of the $1,000, we
Some
work
of the
together.
project.
Yeah, project.
Yeah.
And the soli kina,
Yeah.
all the members of the village we participate.
Not finish the project.
Put
Yeah.
in.
We put in.
Yeah.
So na job lay ka, kini sa umena undol, and ang lenggara babakoro. So that's mean
Yeah.
everything inside the money pocket,
Yeah.
it's our all.
Iya, hindi na sa.
Iyo.
Iya.
And the contribute kino keda.
Yeah.
So they run. So the village headman was trying his very best
Iya.
to look for someone
Iya.
to be inside the meeting
Iyo.
Iya.
to let them come.
Iya. Memang malumuta ka
iya.
melon ra.
Iya.
Nira sa kata-kata siku.
Right.
Sarkilatungan ko ya nambosyo ko na wasenganga lo na tak.
Oh, and then these people from Ngau, when they get angry,
Iya.
I can tell.
So the village headman together with the talatala,
Yeah.
with the priest, they come together,
Yeah.
and also the matani banua. Matani banua talagang gorto na kani.
Yeah.
So I want there's only 5 things I want.
Pati sa ko sunggo.
Oh, tal-tal.
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 Before we start, we have to pray. Lotu, lotu binaka, sangkay masubango talatala, masulak sa ngayon lunano. Kaya baka hindu kata-kata tiko. If you are hotness this morning,
Yeah.
calm down.
Calm down. Jina sa.
I want, there's only condition, 5 things we need.
Iya.
Yeah.
5 nga nakaungan re babay kwa sa marunding tengo.
Yeah.
First of all, church boy.
Oi.
Oi,
Turangan
melotu.
dulu tu.
Kurang dulu tio.
Church member, and working as a church. Me baka tutu baka lut.
Right.
Mentau bunau. Together has a farm.
Iya.
Iyo. Don't drink too much grog.
Gori.
No groga.
No groga.
Iya.
Oso
No
tintau
groga.
buniang kona. Only one wife.
Oi.
E baka sanding ita ki minduang anawatina.
Oson ring na balisongo.
Iyo, oso dringi.
Iya.
And also, lastly,
Yeah.
furthermore, to conclude,
Iya.
he is a truthful person.
Oh.
Right.
Me turangan dina,
Oh,
turangan
iya,
nuitaki. Turangan nuitaki, turangan dina.
Iya.
As the word from the priest end,
Iya.
the village was silent.
Iya.
The village was silent.
They were looking at each other, eh?
Yeah, one fella, one taubu from the back was sitting there.
Yeah.
And he was like this. Tala,
Yeah.
thank you very much.
Iya.
I think that people from this village, I think not trespass the maternity. Sayin bero ka, may turangan ng lotu.
Iya.
Mga tutu mga lotu, may daw bunaw, may tsunan taytay, may koso tindang ngunayang gona, may kunduangan na watina.
Doon ano sila yun?
May turanga lebu buwan nandina, tabuangan na waso man tala-tala, sinimber na ko turangan ko.
Iya.
Ay tala-tala.
Iya.
Pagkabiyo, na turangan biyang ko, risember ang biyang nisu, di ko nuwa ko. Pelker, nakakedongan rin mo ko, risengasaran ito na ko.
Pero itu kami.
Yeah, binabalang sarap po dyan, celebrating 90 years.
Ito ba natanil to tsura nung turang
It's Friday. We love you all.
Yeah, because they always lie, eh?
To the membership of the village,
Yeah.
truthful.
Hey!
Kung bikim nino kada bikim to nung matagal ker-ker. Do taray ko man nga pakalilay.
Nangonaya, oson ring itu na palisong kung may ngawi at katunan po siya.
Iya.
Guys, satu ko nito katala lima na kaya,
Yeah.
they were looking at each other.
Iya.
They point fingers.
Iya.
They point fingers silently.
Because they know each other.
Because they know each other.
Menjing kita
Because,
kasi kan kurtung ngon.
yeah,
Yeah.
they know if you choose this one do the groggy.
Yeah.
And if you choose this one mantanga just last a few years ago,
Yeah.
eat the coins.
Eat the
Baka
coins.
may kanina ilabo, eh?
Yeah.
Eat the coins. And this one,
Yeah.
and this one, no tapi.
Yeah,
No
yeah.
tapi, no farm. Eh? They pointing fingers at each other.
Yeah.
So the thing is,
Yeah.
when Taltala said it,
Yeah.
oh, Taltala, maybe the one you're talking about,
Yeah.
not yet give birth. The
Iko
one.
nga na, ni si merda mo na songo ni lewu sar chumay. Bikim to nung matagali sa ker-ker mga bimbi bikim do. Ni sember ni tabo na bakingo mundo tariko era.
May tara ko sa ng liwi.
Not like one my tabale. One of my tabale, they told him,
Sorry, baby.
you'll come up,
Oh, amen.
you'll be the Turalevu.
Hoy.
Turalevu.
Right.
Suddenly, when they select him as at Turalevu, go what is on Paulo? What is on Paulo?
Right.
Suddenly, when they select him for the Turalevu, all was shouting at the bit. Why no? That one is Zabutavio Kabiriaki.
Ho.
Hoy.
Oh, I said, but tabale, don't.
Iya.
Otherwise, you'll be in a big problem, eh? Like questo Bill Senia,
bella.
thank you so much for tuning in. Atelin Gio
Naka.
and Melina Yaza Levo.
Do. Oh. Salanieta.
Miriam Brown. Miriam Brown.
Sorry, baby
Yeah.
na.
Like questo ngane na abanelo Seda Vilati tuning in from Australia.
Iya.
Thank you so much for tuning in. So sa teki JD, don't pulo binaka. Kalau nggak tirbin karapi.
Dabo na goria. Dabo na goria.
Dabo main, dabo binaka iyo.
Isa. Dabo lang tayo sa talo
Di ko na
sa
marunong
coach ka sa nunggu ker-ker nga.
Gori.
Iya. Kasi ang toli warit ko may lolomu.
Kore ko melolo bumelal na pale. Bilesen yan rin miyaw. And also everybody joining this morning. It's Friday. It's a very good day. We have our own plan, our program. We program ourselves through the days.
Gori.
This is the day that we all need to come and end. We want to finish everything early.
Tapi lang to
so that we
gorit
can
pinche
host-
salambongi.
Oh,
Iya, enra.
this one is.
Tama, Ben.
Oh,
Iya.
Iya.
Enra benaka. Phelps.
Phelps.
Balakot, enra benaka may mga rutungo na malong kalandi.
oh, julum.
Enra benaka kan.
Julu madaling.
Victor Narayan, benaka se.
Bula binaka.
Atu ate.
Kito sa tabay?
Dol mo benaka se.
Pano binaka ngay like hata ka siya ta katunon talayo.
Iya.
Gori.
Ena mata ka binaka ni kuha.